Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix update error KB5036620, KB5036893. Chapter 1. How to fix update error KB5036620, KB5036893 from Troubleshooter. To start, enter Troubleshoot in the search box. Click on Troubleshoot Other Problems. After that, in the section Background Intelligent Transfer Service, click on Run. As you can see, a wizard will open. There, you can interact with the required questions to proceed to search for errors and correct them automatically. When this is finished, click Run in the Windows Update section. Again, you see the wizard open. Confirm the questions based on the error to find a solution, or if you do not have this wizard, automatic mode will open. Chapter 2. How to fix update error KB5036620, KB5036893 Analyzing File System. To start, right-click on Start. Click on Terminal Admin. Click Yes to access. Here you are going to execute the command sfc --scanno. Press Enter. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Wait for this file system scanning process to finish. Chapter 3. How to fix update error KB5036620, KB5036893 from PowerShell. To start, in the search box, enter PowerShell. Click Run as administrator and select Yes to authorize. Here, you are going to copy and paste the commands that we left you in the video description. You will expect each of these commands to be executed automatically. Chapter 4. How to fix update error KB5036620, KB5036893 resetting PC. To start, enter Reset in the search box. Click Reset this PC. After that, click on Reset PC. You will define whether you keep your files and then choose the type of installation to use for this process. Click Next. When all the configurations are loaded, you will click Reset so that the computer can proceed to execute this task. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.